All right, everyone. So we are going to practice the mirror tool in sketch mode. So we are actually going to go ahead and create this shape right here. So we're actually only going to draw half of this object, and we're going to use a construction line in the mirror tool to create this full object. So we're essentially going to save ourselves half of the time because we're only drawing one half of the shape. Okay. So I am going to go ahead and I'm going to create a new sketch. I'm going to choose my bottom plane for this one. And the first thing I want to do is I actually want to create that construction line. So I'm going to just take a line down the whole middle right here so it intersects the origin. I'm going to hit my escape key and I'm going to highlight the line and make it a construction line. Okay. Now, before I go back to drawing with my lines, I need to make sure construction is not selected. So now I am going to just take my line tool and I am going to draw these three lines. So we're just going to come here, and there are no dimensions on here. This is just practicing the tool. So we're just going to rough out this shape like that. I'm going to hit the escape key, and then I need two circles and a rectangle. So I'm going to grab my circle tool. Just going to place one here. I'm going to place one down here. It's about the same size. Again, we don't have dimensions here. That's totally fine. We're just practicing that mirror tool. And then I'm going to go ahead and create that shape. Okay. So now that I've drawn this, I'm going to go under create and I'm going to find the mirror tool. If you have the triangle icon up here, it's the same thing, but I'm going to go ahead and hit mirror. Okay. And it wants me to select the objects. Now I have to be careful because I need to select all of these objects in order for it to mirror correctly. So I need to click on all of the things so that the lines on the outside turn dark blue like that. And then I'm going to, so you can see I have 9 selected. Then I'm going to switch arrows to the mirror line and I'm going to choose this construction line. It's going to give me a preview of what's going to be projected and I'm going to hit OK. And now I have all of my objects mirrored across that center line. And that's it.